Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. Yes, it happened. We have a new Bitcoin all-time high. First time since November 2021. So this is pretty huge. So let's talk about that. Also, let's talk about that Tether's USDT stablecoin hit historic 100 billion US dollar market cap, and also another record that the 10 Bitcoin spot ETFs did 10 billion in volume yesterday. So actually things around crypto and Bitcoin is getting now pretty big. And yes, don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news videos here on Blockchain Bloom, right? So if you would like to keep yourself up to date, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. So first, when we look at the prices, we can see that Bitcoin is actually, let me refresh the page because now it's changing it very quickly. Yes, at 66,846 US dollar. This is 1.3% down in the last 24 hours. Ethereum, 3,857 US dollar, but we were above 3,900 today already. This is 1.8 up. When we're looking at the top gainers, dog with hat, meme coin is still up 38%. In 24 hours, we see Uniswap 20% up and Leo 14% and many others going up. Losers, well, Shiba Inu now 17% down, sorry, 13, quick change. eCash 12% down, Dogecoin 10% down at the moment. And yeah, now let's move to the Bitcoin candlestick chart because this is historical, guys. Yesterday, we had this candle which went all the way up to 69,324 US dollar. And this is the official new Bitcoin all-time high. The one record which was made back in November 2021 was broken yesterday on the 5th of March 2024. So this is really, really major. And look, right now Bitcoin price is about, you know, what's that? I'm going to move on to this. Yeah, less than 4% from its new all-time high. And yesterday we had this, you know, crash. About 15%, Bitcoin went down all the way here to 59,224 US dollar. And to be honest with you, this was, I think, normal. Why? Because the all-time high level is always a strong resistance. And we didn't close above it. We just went above it. So to be very confident, a weekly close would make you kind of confident or even more confident. Anything can happen, but you know, at least with that, you feel better. And but people are greedy and they want even more. And yes, a lot of people using leverage. And because of this, and you know, I'm not playing the signal now. This could be actually the first topic I'm talking about here. So because of this, we could see, look at this number here. This and this, so we add these two together, about 900 million US dollar worth of long positions were liquidated yesterday on the 5th of March. And this is actually crazy amount. Look back all the way, February, January, nothing close to that. Even, you know, we had in these 2 days here about, we're talking about 300 million, roughly speaking, in short positions liquidated. So if you add this up, more than 1.2 billion US dollar were liquidated in a 24-hour period. And this is crazy. And you have to be very, very careful because this is how crypto market is. You know, it is volatile. But look where we are right now. By the way, when it was liquidated, people said, wow, Bitcoin went down. And then you just start to think like, okay, but when was the last time we have seen Bitcoin on this level? Like, you know, at 59,000-ish. Well, it was the 28th of February. And this happened on the 5th of March. Just a couple of weeks, days before, really. So Bitcoin didn't go down where it was like month before or something like that. Just it went back a couple of days. So, and now, as you can see, it's coming back again, holding itself. Therefore, we can see altcoins because also going up because Bitcoin holding itself still pretty strong. So yes, that's crazy. And by the way, when we're looking at gold here, look at this. Gold is extremely close to break its all-time high as well, which was back in December, 4th of December last year. And today we are extremely close to that. Sorry, actually, yeah, because this is now the weekly chart, right? But today is the one when actually we're getting closer and closer. So anytime a new gold all-time high can happen as well. The second thing, another record, when we're talking about Tether's USDT stablecoin, it also made a new record. And this one is actually the Tether's USDT stablecoin hits historic $100 billion market cap. You know, we have never seen any stablecoin on this level. Tether is the biggest by market cap and now hit 100 billion. This is actually also historical. And look at this. This is the market cap, how Tether, for Tether. Since here, the beginning of last year is just going higher and higher and higher. And, you know, we had this level here, you know, that's kind of important one, which was the previous top. Around here, 82 billion US dollar. And now since that, since here, what's that? October. Since October, another round started, and now we are 100 million. And look, every single week, more and more Tether is printed. This is typical sign of a bull market, because in the bull market, more and more stable coin is needed. People entering into the crypto space, not escaping from it, as it's usually happening in the bear market, and therefore more Tether is needed. So yeah, that's kind of important. Okay, next thing I would like to mention is another record. When we're looking at the 10 Bitcoin spot ETFs, they made also a new record when we're talking about daily volume. Okay, so now look at this. This here. That's really crazy. So we have a new record also when we're talking about the 10 Bitcoin spot ETFs daily volume, because it hit 10 billion US dollar, 10 billion US dollar yesterday on the 5th of March, on the same day when Bitcoin made its all-time high. So you can see, you know, the volume is trading, so buying, selling, but still, this is how active people right now in Bitcoin spot ETFs, 10 billion US dollar in a day. It's a significant number. Look at this. The previous was just under 8 billion here, and now 10 billion, a new record. In previous days, when you're looking, it were all pretty high compared to these ones here in January, February. Before yesterday on the 4th. Of March, we talked about the second biggest day in volume, and yesterday we had the new record, the largest day in volume. And meanwhile, I can say because the meme coins just continue their journey. You know, we had like crazy meme coins increase recently. I did talk about that previously, and now I'm just searching for the category because I forgot to put it here. Look at this one. Last 24 hours. No, not this one. One second. Okay, let me share the screen. So here you have the meme coins, right? And look, many of them continue. Dog with hat, we see Pepe, some others going up. Here's actually an article about it. Now it's a bit chilling, but yesterday we had this big crash. Put it this way, you know, Bitcoin went down 15%, and many altcoins even more. And when we're looking at, for example, this guy here, Dog with hat. Today, I mean, since yesterday's lowest point, until today's highest point, it's more than 110%. And then some others as well. Yeah, there is some correction when it comes to Doge now, and then some others. But you know, Bonk did well also, and Dogwit had one of the biggest gainer. So yes, we can see that meme coins still doing well, and this is actually very strange because in the past you've never seen this when actually Bitcoin forming a new all-time high, and straight away meme coins doing pretty well as well. It was always kind of the last phase, right? Bitcoin, bigger caps, lower cap, mid caps, lower caps, lower caps, micro caps, and then, you know, the meme coin kind of craziness. And now, totally new times we're living in right now. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain-related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date, very simple, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Highly appreciate it, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.